Luxury in 2026 is a time of great change, but great possibility at the same time. So we have an era with AI where hyper-personalization and true one-to-one relationships can really be possible in a way that didn't scale before. It used to be that we had people that had encyclopedic knowledge of their customers, maybe in the stores, and they did a great job at being that kind of concierge. Now we can take that approach to a large scale using AI and really zoom in to have a genuine one-to-one relationship and personalization with customers. There's also a huge kind of sustainability movement that's been moving for quite a few years. So resale portals, repair portals are becoming increasingly popular, and the execution of doing those well in a way that's in line with the brand values is a really important trend in 2026. And then we also have the idea of exclusivity and membership continually coming up through the different brands. But one of the most important things across all of these trends is for luxury to retain its brand voice, to retain its kind of ability to connect with the customer and provide these really seamless experiences. Like technology, embracing technology has always been good, but if we focus too much on kind of cost cutting or that kind of thing, you'll lose that kind of brand exclusivity and voice, and therefore luxury won't be as luxury was before.